Alec, Peirce at the ranch with another tip for you guys that are lucky enough to own a brand new Ford F-150. I like Fords. Hey, Chevs and Dodges, they start regularly. But I'm a big fan of Fords, and the F-150 is the most popular truck in the world, most popular vehicle in the world. That's got to make you sit up and take notice. But you know what goes along with that popularity? Their tailgates are popular too. That's right. Now, if you own a pickup truck, you probably know how to get the tailgate off if you need to do something in the back or whatever else. It's the easiest thing in the world. There's two cables like this. You snap those off. You pull the tailgate at 45 degrees. This end pops out, that end pops out. You walk away with it. Like two guys, 10 seconds if they stop for a coffee break, and they're gone with the tailgate. And the new F-150 tailgates apparently are popular. I mean, they're expensive to buy, almost $2,000 for a new tailgate complete with the camera and the special lights and all that. It adds up. So the idea of having some kind of a lock on your tailgate to protect it made a lot of sense to me. And they were pretty cheap too. So I looked at a whole bunch of them and I ended up deciding to choose this one. It's called the McGard. See it up there, Kevin, the top? McGard. There's a bunch of them. But I'd like to look at this one. It seemed more solid. It had a couple extra features and yet it wasn't complicated. So I bought the darn thing. It was cheap. Got it on Amazon. I forget the price. I'm going to guess it. Maybe $25, whatever. And it took me 15 minutes to put it on, and nobody is stealing my tailgate. Let me quickly show you what it is. It's really very, very simple. There's a plumber's clamp, a screw clamp. And that screw clamp simply goes around the pin right here on the end of the tailgate. You see, right at this end of the tailgate. That black thing there, that's the guard. And it clamps around the pin, the hinge of the tailgate. So it can't be pulled out. You can't get it out unless you remove that. And you can't remove that unless you have the special key. This is a special little key that comes with the McGard. It's like a wheel nut key. It has a special lock on it. And this has to fit down in like so. There you go. And then you put a wrench on it, you unscrew that, that loosens the clamp, you pull the clamp off, then the tailgate comes off. Well, it's not going to get stolen because that now makes it a 15-minute job. Nobody's going to do it. They're going to go to a different pickup, somebody else's, maybe yours. Anyway, I thought it was a great idea. And the only thing I did was, after I got it done, I filled that little hole in there with grease. Because, you know, you get salt and sand and dirt and water in there all the time. I filled it in there because I knew that would fairly quickly would corrode up in there, and even I couldn't get the tailgate lock off. That's the only thing I did to change it. And I've got it on there. You don't even know it's there. It took me 10 minutes maybe to install it. I had a little lock in my cab if I need it, and there you go. I feel very secure. No one's going to steal my brand new Ford F-150 tailgate. Don't know. Maybe you guys with trucks know all about this stuff. It was news to me, and I've had trucks a long time, so maybe it's a good idea for you as well. Take a look. Tailgate lock. I thought it was a good idea. Talk to you soon. Alec, Peirce at the ranch.